Let's design this 3D box in less than a few minutes using the incredible Pacdora. If you don't have Pacdora yet, what are you doing? Just kidding. Pacdora is absolutely incredible though. Jokes aside, it lets non-designers create packaging in seconds and minutes using AI tool Pacdora. So let's go ahead and do this. So even if you're not a designer, you're not a creative, you got this. You can do this. And if you don't have Pacdora yet, then check out the link in the description where if you use my code, you get 20% off and you help support my business because I get a small commission. So let's get started, right? So let's go ahead and click on boxes and perhaps square box and perhaps just this one. Keep it simple. And there is our gorgeous template. Let's click on upload and let's start designing. So go ahead and bring in your own logo. I'll bring in mine and I'll click and drag and adjust it and just look at how incredible it is. 3D, updating automatically in real time, and you can click and drag and you'll see it a little bit better. So click and drag and add your logo and you can line it to the center using those red lines. Cool. Next thing, let's add some text. So we can go to elements and either click on add text and add our own text. But if you're feeling lazy, just like me, scroll all the way down and perhaps just click on this and click and drag and just use this over here as a text. And to push it below this, right click, send to back. And bam, we have a piece of text. Cool. Now let's design the back. You can click and drag and see all the sides of our lovely box. And I would like this to be yellow. Let's go crazy. So click on this, click on face color and yellow. Now it will recommend colors that are in your logo, colors that will go well. And let's do this one as well. Yellow and click and drag and wow, I'm obsessed. Isn't that incredible? Cool. Let's say we would like to add again the same text. We can click on that and duplicate and pop it in here. And now it's on this page. Isn't that incredible? Beautiful. Let's say I would like the insides of the box to be pink. You can open this up and you can see the insides. I would like those pink because why not? So click on that and pink doesn't come up yet, but perhaps I can find it manually. And click here and choose that pink. Click here, choose that pink. And in real time, you'll start to see the box getting updated in pink. And all the little bits in pink. Perhaps this in pink as well. And if I want, I can close it again. Open, close. That's cool. Maybe have this in pink after all. Beautiful. Loving it. And say I would like this to be duplicated over there. I can click and drag, right click, duplicate, and just pop it over here. And now it's on both sides. Now obviously feel free to add some text at the back, like the description. You can either click on one of these and add some text, or you can add your own. Of course, I would like to get rid of this white, so I'm just gonna ungroup, click away and just delete the white. And voila, we have our packaging. Now, I'm sure you can do a much better job and more detailed job than I'm doing right now, but it's just to show you what is possible and just how incredible it is. Now, if you wanted also to add a print, you go to uploads and you can add your own print, and you can add it wherever you want your own print, and that's lovely. Or you can go to inspirations and choose from existing patterns. Cool. Now, once you're done and you're happy with your design, you click on save. And now for the best part, exporting. This is my favorite part. First of all, just see how incredible that is, that you can see your box in real time. So cool. But we're not done just yet. When we click on Super Export, we can export it in so many different ways. In images, in 4K and 8K, whoa, that's super high, ultra high definition. JPEG, PNG, depending on your needs. Or videos, which is my favorite. Yes, look at how awesome that is. A 3D mock-up packaging of our box being opened. Or some other amazing motion videos that show all the different angles of our little box. And it's only in a few minutes. So cool. You can choose 1080 or 2K. 2K, you would have to have the Pro membership though and upgrade, which I don't have right now at this moment. And then perhaps most importantly, if you want to go and take this to production and you're happy with your merch and your box and you want to create and print mass outs, you need a Dieline, which is an artwork ready for printing, all the information and detail and measurement and trimming that you'll need for your printers, and you can send it off. Make sure it's in CMYK for printing, and you can send it off in Adobe Illustrator, the other kind of AI, or a PDF. Now for my Adobe Illustrator users, you can further edit this in Adobe Illustrator if you wanted to, which is super cool, and it will be your template. And last but not least, you can also have it on your website, 3D package, video, and create HTML code from it. Again, you can open it entirely or close it. And speaking of closing, this is me closing this video with suggesting you go ahead and download Pacdora.com because it is incredible. Need I say more? I think it's a game changer, so get ahead in the game. So again, this is Kate Silver, and as always, it's my pleasure to teach you and guide you through all your design and graphic design and now packaging needs.